In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a page in Canva. If you've opened a Canva design and noticed that one of your pages is locked, don't worry. Unlocking it is very quick, and once it's unlocked, you'll be able to edit that page normally again. This is useful when a page has been protected from accidental changes and you're now ready to make updates. To get started, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're inside the project where the locked page is located. Once the design is open, take a moment to look through your pages so you can identify the one you want to work on. If your design has several pages, scrolling carefully will help you avoid unlocking the wrong one. Next, go to the specific page you want to unlock. This is important because the lock setting applies to that page, so you'll want to be on the correct one before making any changes. If the page is currently locked, you may notice that you can't interact with it the way you normally would, or you may see a lock indicator showing that editing has been restricted. Now look toward the top right area of the locked page and find the lock icon, which looks like a small padlock. Once you see it, click that padlock icon. This action removes the lock from the page and restores your ability to edit it. In most cases, the change happens immediately, so there's no extra confirmation needed. And that's it. The page is now unlocked. As a quick tip, after unlocking the page, try clicking on the elements in that page to confirm that everything is editable again. If you're working on a shared design, keep in mind that locking and unlocking pages can affect how others interact with the project, so it's a good idea to make changes carefully. This is one of those simple Canva features that can save time once you know where to look. If a page ever seems uneditable, checking for that padlock icon should be one of the first things you do. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to unlock a page in Canva.